Please DJ. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. To our former mayor, Sultan Johnny Angni Tawan-Tawan, ug sa iyang kapikas, ug atong former mayor pod, Madam Raida Langitaw Tawan-Tawan, ug sa atong incumbent mayor karon na si Hasanor Langitaw Tawan-Tawan, sa atong vice mayor na si Eberto Tabira Senior, atong SB member si Badilis Manguntawar, sa atong school principal Ma'am Sherlyn Aing, sa principal sa atong elementary sa Padianan si Sir Kabugatan, to the proud parents, esteemed guests, and of course, the batch of 2024. Assalamualaikum and congratulations. Let me first express my utmost gratitude and appreciation to the Salvador National High School from inviting me. It has been an honor to be chosen as your guest speaker for today. I commend all teachers for their hard work, whether overcoming difficult decisions o sa pag-antos sa atong mga mistakes. Kanunay itang magpasalamat sa atong mga teachers that they selflessly educate and instill knowledge upon us. Thank you very much. What's up, class 2024? Kabala ko na excited na mo mag-celebrate with your respective parents, sa inyong friends, relatives. Mangayo lang ko gamay nga tayo sa inyong oras karon, and then relax mo diya, and hopefully maminaw. Nadugay ba? Unya naaraman ta dire, di ba? Naghago ba ta? Nakaya raman lagi. Time flies when you're having fun. I know that you are all excited mag-step into the next chapter of your life, to the next into your adulthood. I know that you are all excited that finally, tapos makamtanin ninyo ang dugay na mong curious kayo mo what is out there in the real world. That is why I flew all the way back here in order to hopefully encourage you, inspire you, and sana may mauwi kayong aral na pwede niyong magamit sa inyong career. I know how you feel. I was once there, sitting, that feeling that you have achieved one of the most grueling stages in your life. And you are now one step closer to the man or woman that you desire to be. Enjoy it while it lasts, because sa next chapter na sa inyong life, maglisod na ta, maningkamot na ta, mag-sacrifice na ta kung unsa man ang atong program na kuhaon. Mag-college na mo, and soon enough, mamiliwan na ninyo yung crush. Indulge me for a moment to share the time when I was in your shoe. I was so overwhelmed with joy that I did not realize that I was living a part of something na happy kaayo. Itong high school life na mo, very competitive, yet kanang most memorable time of our lives. If I were to ask a question, no, if I were to ask a question, if I have a time machine, which part of my life would I return to? I would not hesitate to answer and respond with, I would gladly experience for the second time my high school year. High school year may be very competitive, very struggle. You may encounter some mishaps along the way. However, high school life, that is the year that you have the most genuine laugh, diba? Baka nang mag-reporting mo, mag-deliver mo speech. I remember one time when Mr. Monteza, our English teacher that time, he tasked us to deliver a speech. And then every time we commit mistakes, magsigiramig katawa. Ako, nung estudyante ko, to be honest, dili man ko achiever. Dili ko, wala kay honor, wala po kay best. Nagsigir akong panguyab. And in fact, na isa ka teacher ni Nederi karon. Pero dili lang ito magsawa sa pangalan. Hi, Ma'am Luna. Jokes aside, no, maka-remember jud mo sa inyong high school life. Ma-miss ninyo ang inyong barkada. Kanang eventually, pag mahimo na mong professional, you will always find ways na magkita mo sa inyong barkada. Just like last night, ligawas may nilang engineer. Akong kabatch po, si engineer po din, o si assessor Jalal Kabutatan. Ako ng mga batch sila. Kahapon ra, ligawas may, mangita jud big ways na makagawas may. Kasi, high school friends, you will never forget them. By the time that I finally stepped into the adulthood, it rushed into me. I struggled and pressured me to decide what I really want to do. And let me tell you one thing. Do not let the pressure get into you and never decide on the rush decisions. Nasa inyo karana. Kung unsa inyong gusto nga program, kuhaon sa inyong pagka-college, ang importante, gusto na ninyo na program. And I would like to plead to the proud parents today, please lang, pabayaan nato atong mga anak na sila ay magpili kung unsay course na ilang kuhaon. Dili jud nindot nga ato silang pugson sa bagay na wala sila passion. I was lucky enough to have a parents na wala ko nila gipugos, gitagaan ko nila freedom to choose kung unsa man jud akong ganahan. Kasi when I was in college, no, nag-rush ko sa akong mga decisions kung unsa ba jud akong kurso nga kuhaon. That resulted to myself shifting from one program to another. That's why na-delay ko kadyot. And then finally, akong istoryahan akong kaugalingon kung unsa ba jud akong love, kung unsa jud akong passion. And then finally, naka-conclude ko sa akong una-una na gusto ko maging effective part of the society, to the community. And then, hopefully, to the Philippines as a whole. Diba? Mauna atong goal dapat. Paano tayo maging effective part? Paano tayo makatulong sa society natin, sa community natin, and then sa Pilipinas? What people confuse or usually stereotype lawyer is that we only defend criminals. No. Judges are also lawyers. So is Supreme Court justices, and so is prosecutors who are defending victims of a crime. The best thing of being a lawyer is that anong ganahan kay ko may mong lawyer kay before pa lang you have that option and you have that responsibility na before pa lang mo saka sa court na kay responsibility to settle that disputes. Dili pa niyo mo pa sa kaon sa korte na ana kay responsibility na apak ayusin na yung dalawang partido. Aba. Sama sa atong tema karon, kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. This is also what I want you to become. I would love na you would be part of the decision making and ultimately having an influence, an impact in the society. Labaw na kung dirita magsugod, labaw na if naging professionals mo, eventually, and then magsugod ta diri sa atong komunidad at sa lungsod ng Salvador. Matabangan nato ang atong mga officials, matabangan nato atong parents, matabangan nato atong komunidad, matabangan nato atong lungsod na Salvador, Lanao del Norte. I know it might seem very scary out there because it is. But if we do our best, confident enough to strive, then walay problema. Makaya ra na ninyo. It might seem na dugay pa, pero dili na siya magdugay if kung ang inyong ginabuhat is kung unsa jud ang inyong gusto. In my case, I've been studying for law for 5 years. It's supposed to be 4 years. Pero wala jud nako na ramdaman na dugay. Why? Because I love studying the law. That is my passion. During cross-examination, kung makalantaw mo sa mga salida, kana bitong mag-ask ka og question sa witness, kanang na-witness sa atubangan, tapos na-lawyer na mangutana. There are only certain questions that you are allowed to ask for that witness. Because if you do not follow that rule, if you do not follow that question, that line of questioning, you would be objected, di ba? Yung nalantawan nato sa mga salida, atong magsyaget og objection. If you do not follow that rules of procedure, you would be objected by your opposing counsel. So I would like to use and leave you with the same question. This is what we call 4 W's and 1 H. What, when, why, who, and how. First, what degree or program should I take? And this is the most difficult question that you have eventually to answer. Because daghan na kayong available programs na gina-offer sa ato. So, to repeat, you have to you have to search for your passion. Unsa jud, you have to ask yourself, unsa jud imong ganahan for the rest of your career. Number two is why. Why do you want this degree? Is it your passion? Is it for something else? Is it for your crush? Diba? Kung may mong model, edi, nindot. And then, the third one is when. The fourth is who. Who is it for? Para sa inyong kaugalingon? Para sa inyong parents? Para sa atong komunidad? Diba? And then, how? Ang question na how is naara na sa atoa. Naara na sa inyo ha. Kung unsa mo kapursigido makuha inyong gusto, then you will claim it. You will achieve it. No doubt about it. No. Another thing that I would like, hopefully, to advise you is how to overcome failures. It would be best if, as early as today, you would expect na you would encounter many failures in your life. And that is okay. Do not let any small mishaps define who you are. Rather, use that and then let that be your past. Learn from it. The best thing to do is move on. You might pivot your way into your, program. Kanang naay uban man trabaho, sila'y mag-sustain sa ilang kaugalingon. As for my case, katong college ko, dili jud ko kabalo maglungag, maglaba, and then eventually kinahanglan nako matuto because that is necessary. But believe me when I say you will have and you will attain that one thing that you always desire. And don't think little of yourself. Kay katong ako, dito man ko nag-school sa Manila. So, dili kay ko confident sa akong kaugalingon. Kay pag-start sa classes, akong mga classmates kay gikan sa UP, San Beda, Ateneo, Lasal, anang mga dagkong eskwela. However, when I realized na mas bright pa di ay ita diri. Katong nag-perform ko well during our class, nangutanan na dayon sila. Asa man daw ko gikan. Asa man daw ko gikan nga school. And I'm proudly said na gikan ko sa Salvador, Lanao del Norte. And I'm proud to be a graduate of Salvador National High School. And if you ever finish and become degree holders, doctorate degree holders, or become successful in your respective careers, pwede na dayon mo mag-enjoy sa inyong kaugalingon. Cherish your victories. Yet, do not forget those who you have met, encountered, and compete against, especially those who go through hell to get you here. Sa atong mga parents na naghago para lang naata diri. Wala ta diri karon kung wala sa ilaha. So, palakpakan nato ato ang mga parents. And finally, before I end my speech, let me borrow the words of Justice Hernando, the bar chair, during our bar examination. He said, "If someday, somehow, you get lost, confused, or tempted, please allow yourself to be guided by your moral compass." Again, for the batch 2024, congratulations and good luck.
plaque of recognition, may I request Ma'am Aying? Okay, may I request Attorney Khalid to stay in the center with Ma'am Aying. May I read to you the text of our plaque of recognition. Plaque of recognition is hereby awarded to Attorney Khalid Alunto Ayunan, Salvador National High School Alumnus, Batch 2022, keynote speaker, for imparting his valuable insight and inspirations to the students, teachers, parents, and the community members during the 47th commencement exercises, the 7th senior high school graduation, with the theme, Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. Given this 31st day of May 2024 at Salvador National High School, Salvador, Lanao del Norte. Signed, Charlene A. Aying, School Principal. Once again, thank you so much, Attorney Khalid, and my warmest congratulations to his parents, Engineer Bubong Ayunan and Mrs. Samsidar Ayunan. So, thank you so much, Khalid, being one of the Salvador National High School's finest students. May we have the awarding to our stakeholders.